Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got a fun one for you. That's right, we have an unboxing here for you today. We were able to get our hands on an ROG STRIX RTX 3060. This is the 12 gigabyte gaming model. Now we had to do some questionable things to get our hands on this, but you know that's for me and just myself. But we're really excited to get our hands on this. Couple things we want to do. Of course, we want to do some mining with it. We're going to walk you through what made us decide to do this model over a 3060 Ti, as well as a couple places where if you're getting this model or any other 3060s, you're definitely going to check out if you want to do those mining hacks and everything like that. So we've got a lot of great things to talk with you about in this unboxing of the ROG STRIX RTX 3060, the 12 gigabyte, the overclock gaming model. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner. Thanks for stopping in. Let's go for a ride.
As always, guys, please do your own research. In the description down below, we'll have links to everything. Also, if you're new to the channel, this is a good time to hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. The reason you want to do that is to keep up with our review, all our other unboxing videos, all the other shenanigans that we do here at the GPU mining farm, and all the other mining content that we have. As well as please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, let us know if you have this model 3060 or what other models that you have. Let us know if you're mining with it as well, if you use those you know, the developer drivers to actually uncrack these, because you guys know these 3060s, they did go ahead and try to nerf those, but huge shout out, thank you to community members like BRANDONCOIN, Serpent XFX. In the description down below, we got links to those guys as well as a lot of other crypto community members. But let's get back to it. We are doing this unboxing of the ROG STRIX. This is their RTX 3060. This is the 12 gigabyte gaming model. One of the reasons, like I said, that I did want to go ahead and pick up this model was in the description down below, we got a link to this BRANDONCOIN, all the work that he's been doing with the 3060. Also, all the work that the guys in the BRANDONCOIN Discord have been doing. In the description down below, please check this out over on BRANDONCOIN.com. In his videos, you'll be able to find links to that Discord. But man, BRANDONCOIN has all these sweet videos. Huge shout out to you, BRANDONCOIN. Thanks for everything you do. But lots of good videos on the RTX 3060. Basically, you got things like your RTX 3060, the ultimate mining guide. Talks with you about the drivers. Shows you how to do two RTX 3060s here. He's got videos for specific motherboards to nerf this, man. All sorts of stuff. So this was definitely one of the reasons why I did want to go ahead and get this specific motherboard here. Now, one of the things that I do also want to talk with you guys about is the BRANDONCOIN Discord. Huge shout out to the other moderators and everyone over there, man. Thank you guys for having us. Have a lot of fun. But there's all sorts of other great information and things that you can get on the 3060. But what you got to definitely do is you got to head over to BRANDONCOIN.com or BRANDONCOIN as far as his YouTube channel. Watch those videos, and there's links on how to get into that. But let's get back to it. The ROG STRIX RTX 3080. We've got our unboxing here for you guys today. So there it is, man. Whew, like I said, this thing, we had to do some specific, not things we aren't proud of, but we definitely got it here. As you can see, we will go ahead and show you. It still does have those factory seals, so this thing is packed fresh. There it is, RTX 3060. We are going to put this in our gaming, editing, mining rig. We're really excited about that. We'll show you guys that here in a second. But we want to go ahead and get into this unboxing here. Like I said, guys, please comment down below. Let us know what you think if you have this model. Let us know what other models of 3060s you guys have, what you've been doing with them. We are really excited to do some mining with this, but it is going to be our daily driver, so that's why I'm okay with the nerf. You do have to have, if you're using the nerf around, you've got to have either a blank plug or have it plugged into monitors. So we got no problem with that as well. Man, I love this thing. But the biggest reason I wanted to get an ROG STRIX was we do have an ROG STRIX B450F gaming motherboard. So that's why we wanted this to go in there, because I want to be able to match all of this ROG with the Aura Sync. We're really excited about that. We got RGB in the RAM as well. With the fans, we're going to be giving everything the same color, and we're going to be hashing away with it. So we got this box open here, kind of like that. You guys can see. Thank you guys as always for having us in your home. Huge shout out to the team, Zach and Tim out here at the mining farm, guys. We've been having a lot of fun kicking butt. So, 12 gigabyte GPU, I figure it's going to do everything that we need. It's got those HDMI outputs as well. It's got the 3-fan. I'm really excited about the 3-fan model. Like I said, I've never personally had an ROG Strix. Everybody tells me these are always more expensive. I'm hoping this thing lasts as long. Here you guys can see this is the box that this thing comes in. Pretty hefty box there. But yeah, you guys comment down below. Tell me where you guys have been getting these things. There was a New Age Shuffle today. We've been signing up for the New Age Shuffles every day, hoping to get some of these 30 series GPUs or some of those AMD GPUs. Have not been very lucky with that. So let's get on to this unboxing here. So we get in a little bit farther. This is kind of cool. I like this kind of stuff. I know you guys do too. The packaging wasn't great when we got this thing, but I do feel it was nice and secure. So we'll go in a little bit farther here. Just kind of see what kind of shenanigans we got. Oh snap, look at that. That's pretty cool. That's really sweet. What else we got in here? We got some instructions. A little thank you card. Thank you ASUS for that. As well as the booklet here. So I like these kinds of things. We'll get a little bit deeper here with this. We'll also have some other videos in the upper right hand corner. Some other videos for out here at the farm, as well as some other testings and stuff. We are planning on doing all sorts of testing with this GPU. And what I mean by that is we're going to test mining everything from Ethereum, of course. We want to get the nerf around. We're going to do RAVENCOIN. We're going to do Aeon and everything in between. Man, I love these 30 series GPUs because these things are honking. So, let's go ahead and pack the rest of this box up here so you guys can see this nice and easy. What other kind of stuff do you want to see us get? What other kind of GPUs do you want to see us test out here at the farm? Do you guys think I need another one of these ROG 3060s? I would like to have count of two in this gaming editing mining rig. You guys know we've had two 1070 Ti's in there. Currently we've got a 3080, one of those NVIDIA RTX 3080s. That is the one that does have thermal throttling. So here you guys go. We have it out of the box. And man, this thing is hefty. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's also got what appears to be one of those back plates on it. So you guys can see here we are cracking open the RTX 3060 from ASUS. This is the ROG Strix Gaming OC edition. This is the 3060 here. So I love the 3 fans. Excited about that. Really excited about all the RGB. You know, this will be sitting in the case just like that. So very excited. You can see all the different caps back here. Hopefully that'll keep things cool so we don't have any of that thermal throttle. You can see we've got HDMI, HDMI, HDMI. Then it looks like DisplayPort. Couple of those as well right here. So here's that back plate. I know you guys will want to see that back plate as well. Comment down below, let us know what else you think. We're going to start wrapping up this unboxing of this ROG Strix RTX 3080. There you guys can see kind of how thick everything is there. Oh buddy, I am very, very excited to get this thing cracking and racking. We're going to get this in that gaming, editing, mining, that RGB rig here pretty soon. Get that GeForce RTX 3080. Like I said, I wanted to show you guys that rig, so we'll go ahead and do that here in a second. But this has been our unboxing of the ROG Strix Gaming Edition. This graphics card is the overclock 12 gigabyte with Aura Sync. We cannot wait to get that going. We're going to go ahead and turn this around real quick. We're here at the office, and here is that gaming, editing, mining rig that we'll go ahead and put that in. We'll have an own video just for that. We'll take you guys back to the specs on this. We are wrapping this up. Like I said, comment down below. Let us know what you think about this. This is the ROG Strix RTX 3060, the 12 gigabyte gaming edition. One more time, definitely going to want to head over, find the link to the BRANDONCOIN Discord. so you can find out all the RTX 3060, the hacks, the get-arounds for the 12 gigabyte model. Once again, huge shout out to guys like Walter, Done One Too Many Two, Frankie Two Times, Lightbulb, all the guys over there, Nerd, Walter, man, just huge shout out to you guys. Also check out all those different videos from BRANDONCOIN on the RTX 3060s and everything else there. Wrapping things up, my name is Wes. I'm not your normal miner. And we've been talking, like I said, they got that unboxing here for that ROG STRIX, that 3060. So let's get a good comparison here. This is my face. And we'll put it here right in front of that DCA logo. Don't like to block that, but kind of comparison here. This thing is large and in charge, and it is front of our face. You guys can see here it's got those display ports on the top. Those are the display ports, and then 3 HDMI. Here's that back plate once again that we were talking about, so you guys can kind of see that. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, my name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Have a good day. Thank you.